Masterlock is changing the way companies securely manage door entry access with the Masterlock Bluetooth Door Controller. This advanced door access control combines the cost benefits and convenience of keyless security with the control, flexibility, and accountability of Bluetooth-enabled hardware. Authorized individuals easily gain entry using the convenient Masterlock Vault Enterprise smartphone app. No PIN numbers to share, no keys to manage and replace. It lowers costs while enhancing security. With the Masterlock Bluetooth Door Controller and Masterlock Vault Enterprise software, you can remotely grant or revoke access to individual employees and employee groups, contractors, inspectors, or others, temporarily or on an ongoing basis. The door controller is part of the suite of Masterlock Bluetooth products, including padlocks and lockboxes that all operate on the same Masterlock Vault Enterprise platform. Together, they offer a complete security solution, making it the ideal system for facilities with multiple access needs. The easy-to-use Masterlock Vault Enterprise software allows you to customize access, such as door entry and storage areas, for each individual. A detailed audit history provides a record of who gained access and when, increasing accountability and minimizing waste and loss. The Masterlock Bluetooth Door Controller, padlocks, and lockboxes